Hi, this is Melissa Rennick, and I live in Indiana. And this is a message for the sons of God, specifically, as I am compelled by the Spirit of the Lord to talk to you. In Proverbs, it has a verse: discipline your son, and they will bring you joy, as if revering your wisdom to know the potential that's in them of correcting something that could harm them, and they delight in that. Now we know the rod is a correction of direction, and it's in the power of the tongue, which is life, a life-giving rebuke. The message that I'm here to share with the sons of God only, meaning the church pastors and leaders, the sons, whatever gender you are, for we know that Galatians 28:3 tells us, for all are in Christ, are no gender, no male, female, poor, rich, Jew, or Gentile. All those in Christ. The reason why I'm addressing the sons, as the Lord tells me, they'll bring me delight in rebuking the sons, is that I have for 19 years. And you have to understand how I have rebuked the sons of God for 19 years. They all rejected me. Now, wisdom comes from God, and He allows me this wisdom. And this is why the message is so imperative to them. Because if you did not delight and reverend and respect and adheed and change and honor the rebuke for the sons of God, you don't belong to Him. How I've been treated by the sons is something out of a horror story. It's horrific. Now we know there's a tattletale of two cities in this book here by Charles Dickens, and it says the period now is, it was the best of times and it was the worst of times. And it says right here in this book,